Yeah, all out in the center here. It's all 30 foot. Right where we're at right now, it's probably about 5. So it drops off. There's a ledge all throughout here. But around this bend, it goes 20 foot. I forgot about that. Which is stupid because you're supposed to be able to freeze this one in an ice cube and it'll still work. You got them on minnow?
Yeah. Nice little crappie. Your ass if you just got off. No, I've been off. And then why didn't you tell me? Like,
women.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. How do you
And you know what they say? Men.
Fucking men.
Fucking men.
Douchebag dudes.
You know what? It's just everybody acts different when they're around the opposite sex, no matter the species. Switch to the crappie rod and I catch a walleye.
That's a nice walleye pull. Medium heavyweight action. I've got a walleye on it. You get it? Nice.
Yes, sir. Oh man, I ain't caught a fish in a while.
Pull made a difference?
Yeah, it did. Woo! Yeah! We're on him. He's pooping on me too. Thanks, bud.
I might actually start keeping a couple.
I feel like there's a few of them sitting down there now.
Yeah.
Down at like, what, 18, 20? I just missed one.
I forgot.
I totally just missed one.
Nice.
WTF? Where's the fish?
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Toss them out the door. I guess if we keep catching them, we'll keep 4 or 5 of them like that. Make me a nice dinner.
For sure, bud. Niner. We got about 2 or 3 tangos. Sitting at about 9 or 8. Translate 18, 16. Over. We got a bogey.
too.
Out in the streets, they call it murder.
Welcome to my ice shack.
There you go. Oh, that's a fatty.
He's been hit by something.
Probably a fucking pike.
I think he's got some good colors on.
I'm sorry, buddy. You're not gonna make it.
You chose this. This is what you wanted. Remember this. Oh, chunkster. Ah, he's biting me.
I should have brought my scale, dang it. So dumb. So dumb. Get him. Get him. So pretty, these fish.
Maybe I just think it's funny. Was I supposed to sit at home all day while you were at work and not do anything? I don't see how she could be upset with me. Like,
Dang it. That's Mr. Bite.
you get what I'm saying, Vern?
When you're on it. Just gotta tell her, when you're on it, you're on it.
Show her fish.
Can't?
Show her fish to prove it.
Exactly.
Oh.
Evidence. Right here. Right in front of your face.
I'm not doing catch and release today, okay?
I got evidence right here in front of your face.
Decent size. Good fish, yeah. Decent evidence. This here is what we call Larry.
I need to fish left-handed because I need practice.
Like last time. I mean, you set the hook and then you went to go fucking reel it in. It wasn't,
No, it wasn't there.
it wasn't.
It's just gone.
The reel disappeared on you. There was definitely fish down there now. They had done skididdly deep off. Yeah, I forgot how clean this water is, man.
Oh.
You got a fish on there. You probably snagged it as you were reeling up. That's a nice one.
I don't know, man. This Vexlar, this good old school Vexlar, might be putting the work on that. Humminbird there.
I think they like that leech colored hook you got.
Yeah.
It's black with white speckles. But I'm seeing the schools popping in. They're coming in.
This is
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to change up the sauce on ya. Let's see what I got in my arsenal. Alright.
See, but the thing is, this is my video, and if I would have brought the scale, it would have been the biggest fish challenge.
Yeah.
I guess that one you caught was pretty fat though, so you would have won that too.
He destroyed my minnow. Like he just demolished him. Look at him.
This is a really good. Ooh!
Fish on? Sorry, Jeremy Wade.
No, it's all good, bro.
Jeremy Wade. A little smaller guy. We'll let him go.
Yeah.
You can swim again. He darted down that hole. He was ready to escape. He's like, what kind of voodoo is this? What kind of dark magic? What in sorceries?
It's not your time. It's going downtown with friends. I just saw the light.
Don't go there. That bright hole up there, not fun. No, I mean, I got the snack and whatnot, but no. Don't agree. He's wet. Not like that. No, nice.
Oh no, he don't come off.
He popped her on you.
He don't come off. Tricky son of a gun.
He just did the loop-de-loop and came back up the hole.
I can get the deer flashlight.
Flash him, Jigger. Yeah, flash hole.
And it's something I drag a little tighter. I think that's why it doesn't come off. Don't come off on me because I had my drag set too loose.
That dang woman trying to rush me while I'm fishing. Can't she see I'm catching stuff? See, the ice gets it.
Oh, we good. Ain't no way.
Do the scoop there.
Ain't no way. You ever try and break off a fucking 4-inch thick icicle?
Yeah, it don't work.
It don't budge.
It hurts. It hurts. Let's get on this damn seat. This dang old Cedo. Noise. That must be a bigger one, huh? You tighten the drag too.
Decent.
Yeah, that's a nice size one. He swallowed that.
Look at his tail, dude.
He's been through some trouble.
Oh, buddy, I'm sorry to say this is the end of the line for you.
End of the line. This is where your train stops, sir. Because you ain't got a ticket to keep going. Ticket, please. Where's my biggin? I like fish too.
Dang. You need to be more patient. You bottom bouncer. How dare you? That was my fish, man. Oh! He don't come out, but it's too late.
Oh! Look at that! That is a monster! Look at the heater! Like,
hold on, I know my hand is like, use it for measuring concrete. That's a good 10 inch. No, that's like 11.
oh, that's a monster!
That's almost 12. No, yeah, that's like that's a good 10 inches.
I hit him at
9 or 10.
12 right there. Rule 13.
9 or 10. Damn, son.
Oh, I can't get a comparison.
That's a dang on monster.
That bucket's 12 inches across. Look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's a yeah.
Dude, that's ridiculous. That's a fucking clean fish too. Tough titties, Sarah. We can go get drinks. The bars are open all night. What did you think that? It wasn't even rehearsed.
You can't rehearse this
That
shit,
was
man.
a monster.
You
dude.
can't rehearse this shit, bro.
That felt so good on this pole though. This is
Oh no!
It's a third
I
fish.
had a good one, dude.
I think
I'm
they're
so
hitting yours as you're reeling up.
yeah. I think you're right, dude.
Lights or whatever. You gotta use a UV light like what I use to charge my ice fishing bait.
Uper lights. Yeah.
Sarah's mom's all into that shit. She was showing me some. I'm telling you, I gotta go with her sometime.
He'll figure it out.
Up in like Duluth.
I adopted them. Oh, take it, take it, take it.
Little guy. Oh, he's nice and blue.
Yeah, he got like that octane tint to him.
He gets to go back and grow.
Yeah, he's not the biggest.
Oh, he's got it in there. Figured it out.
Nice. Tangle up on the diesel again.
Oh, go Vexlar.
Oh, I just untangled it.
Keeper?
Oh, one second.
You get some good fillets out of
Yeah.
them.
As well. Grandma will be happy. Yep. I don't have to worry about getting yelled at.
Small for you, but good enough for her.
That was fucking sketch.
Should we go? Turn that heater off. It just cracked right underneath us.
He's like, I'm good now. Fine, now we're done.
We're fine, but that's our sign. They weren't biting no more.